Hello YouTubes! Today I'm gonna make a burrito card holder, my version of this classic card holder that is made from a single piece of leather. And I'm also gonna show you an easy way that I use to add customization to these card holders and make them more unique and more individual. So if you're interested, please watch the video till the end, hit subscribe button and like the video. Now let's make it. So this is our end result. This one I made for a BMW fan. As you can see, the colors of the M line, but you can add any other colors like colors of a country's flag or favorite sports team's colors, etc., etc. The options are literally unlimited, and those stitches actually help to hold this card inside so it doesn't fall out. It is quite spacious as well, so lots of cards, cash. Hope you like it. Stay tuned.